Let's check out some Groovy cassettes like these. How's that for Groovy? Or even that one. And this one in its Groovy slip-in box from the Groovy era. And this one with its Groovy orange hubs. All of these seem to be from the very early 70s. And this one's got a Groovy random texturing on the cassette shell itself. And all of them have a Groovy light brown tape in them. With the white one possibly looking a bit different because of its contrast to the shell. Let's have a look at the J card in this one, how groovy it is. And what these have on them, recorded on them, is like a background movie music from the late 60s, early 70s, what you would hear in the background in the movies of that period. That's the sort of music that's on these. And this one's still partially wrapped. It's never come out of its wrapper, only up at the top to pull the cassette out, but otherwise it's still in its original wrapper. And the writing on the back of it, it's exactly the same as on this one. So we'll have a look at this one, and you can pause it to have a better read of it. Obviously the covers are different, but just as groovy. All the music seems to be recorded differently depending on the soundtrack on them. It's somewhere between 9,000 kilohertz and about 13,000 kilohertz depending on the soundtrack. So this is about what the cassettes themselves can take, up to about 13,000 kilohertz. And if the source material's worse, then it's down to 9,000. And that's how groovy they are. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next or the previous groovy video.